Now to create this roof, in our floor plan view, we'll go to the roof tool. We'll use the multi-plane geometry method. We'll click the top left-hand corner and we'll bring it all the way down to the bottom right-hand corner. Now at the moment, I just need to link this one to the roof. So we'll click on this one just here. And now it's displaying all that correctly. From here, I'll want to select the blue line. We'll go to custom plane settings and we'll change this one to a gable. We'll do the same thing for this side just down here, changing this one into a gable and going continue. From here, we'll want to create some lean-to roofs. Just before we do, we'll change this offset to 0. From here, we'll go to our roof tool. Now I'll hold in Alt so that we use the eyedropper tool. We'll select this roof just here, which will take all of its attributes, including the fact that it doesn't have an eave. And from here, we'll go to single plane and we'll have rectangular for the construction method. Click this top left, bring it all the way down to the bottom left just here, and we'll click. And then we want the pitch to face towards this right-hand side. So we'll click once over this way, and we'll click in the bottom left and bring it all the way to the top right. So we're just creating the shape of that lean-to roof. And from here, if we go into our 3D, we've got the bulk of things done. Now, if we zoom in, we could bring this lean-to roof down by using the shortcut Control-D, clicking the top node and bring it down, if we zoom in a little bit further, until we hit that node just there. We'll now want to crop this wall to the underside of that roof. Right-click in the open space, connect, solid element operations. We'll have that as the target. We'll select the roof as the operator, subtraction with upward extrusion for the operation, and we'll click execute. For this wall just here, we're just going to change the height of this one to 3050 with column selected. We'll set these as a target. We'll select our roof and we'll put it as the operator, subtraction with upward extrusion, and we'll go execute. And that tidies all of that up. Now to get this roof onto this other side, just over here, go back to our floor plan. We'll select this roof. We'll use the shortcut to mirror, holding in Control and tapping M. And then we'll click this center point just here. If we tap Control just once, this is going to bring it all the way over to this other side, creating a duplicate and not just mirroring the existing roof plane that we have. If we now go into our 3D, we'll do a quick operation on that column. We've now got our lean-to roof. Now for real world projects, I rely on my template to eliminate setup and get drawings done faster. I've now made my template available for purchase. The link will be down below. Now to create a roof plan just like this, you'll want to check out this video just over here. We take it all step by step, so go on and check it out.